What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you don't know that already, I love all things makeup and beauty. I'm also a mother, so if you hear my kids in the background, just try to ignore that. Just ignore it. So today, I'm really excited for today's video because I'm actually doing, this will be my very first Valentine's Day look. You do it. Beautiful. This is going to be my very first Valentine's Day look. I want to do as many as possible. Like, I want to get as many Valentine's Day looks up as possible before, you know, the actual big day. I want to do like date looks and just kind of like, you know, pink, red, like purpley vibes. So if that's something you're interested in, please keep on watching. So I went ahead and zoomed you guys on in. The palette that I'm going to be using today, I'm going to be using my Me, Myself, and MMMMitchell palette today. And I'm going to start off by taking Motto right here. I wasn't sure exactly the vibe that I was going for when I sat down originally. Packed that down, and then now I'm going to lightly start smoking that edge out so that way it blends a lot easier when I go in with my next color. Next, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, Mini. So I'm going to start by just pressing it down a little bit, and then I'll blend it. Little circular motions. I like to press it down to get the pigment, and then blend it to get the like ombre fade effect. And now I'm going to take the shade Milkshake, and I'm just going to very lightly blend out that shade. And then I'm going to go back in with that shade Mini. I'm going to take this is the P.Louise Basic Bright in Winter Rose. And we'll go ahead and cut this crease out. Okay, the crease is cut, and I'm just gonna blend the edges with my finger. And then I'll go back in with a little bit of that Motto shade to further blend out and smooth the edges. And then I'm gonna go in with some of that Mini shade to further blend this in. Okay, now I'm going to take my Essence of Earth pigment, and this one is in Nerites. This is a beautiful, like, purpley pinky shift to it. So I'm going to take it, and I'm going to pack it onto this wet base and cover that crease. Next, I'm going to take, this is from, this little glitter is from Baddie Cosmetics. Wow. And I'm pretty sure this one's in Dirty Sprite. They didn't have labels when I ordered all my glitters. So, I'm pretty sure that this one's called Dirty Sprite. And I'm going to use my lash glue and go ahead and just put it where that cut meets that deep color. And then I'm going to take some of that glitter and pack it on. Yeah. And I'm just going to keep patting over it to make sure that it's really secure to that glue until I'm confident that that glue is dry. Next, I'm going to take my Spoiled Lips Cosmetics Holy Grail Glitter Palette, which looks like this. And I'm going to take this color right here. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to use my glue, my lash glue, and just put that glue where I want to secure this loose glitter. Apply the glitter down onto that glue before it dries. And then I'm just packing this glitter down and then dragging it so that way it's spreading and not being all chunky on my eye. So I went ahead and I finished my face, and now I'm going to finish my eyes. I didn't do highlighter yet either, but for my eyes, I wanted to do some, I really needed like, just for this look, I really wanted like a real full thick lash. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to stack 2 pairs of lashes. So these are the Sticks and Sponge lashes. I'm going to take the style D20, which looks like this. And then I'm going to take the style 3D08, which looks like this. And I'm going to stack them. So how you stack lashes. So I'll start with this side. So I'm going to take the style D20, and these ones curl at the end. And I'm going to put these on bottom. Let's see if you can see this. So I'm just going to take these. And then I'm going to put the lash bands together. I'm just going to press those lash bands together. And these lashes are very pretty on their own, but I just needed something a little bit more today. So, and then do you see how much thicker it is now? So yeah, so I'm going to do that to both of them. So after they're stacked, I'll go ahead and take my lash glue, and the lash bands should perform as one. So the only thing about doing this is it makes the lash band very thick. So if you don't like that, I mean, I wouldn't recommend doing it. Now we're just gonna stick this on. Yes, that is exactly what I needed. And if you are wondering what I used for my lips, this right here is the by Beauty lipstick in Sorbet. It's really pretty. So yeah, so that's what I used for my lips. I thought it was the perfect pink to complement the eyes. My son just woke up from his nap, so if you hear him crying, it's because he won't come down the stairs. I have my son in my arms, so hopefully I don't buck up. But I'm just taking that purple Motto shade, and I'm gonna put that into my lower lash line. And I'm gonna do the same thing on both sides, like so. And then I'll take the shade Mini, and I will blend this out. And then I'll take the shade Milkshake, which is that lightest pink, and just complete the blend. And then for highlight, which is going to be the last step, I'm going to take my Hank and Henry, and this one is in Glow Bandit. That is the good stuff right there. And then to highlight the rest of my face. Oh, I need my arm up. I need my arm. We're just gonna, my son is like holding my arm down. So, but we're just gonna pack this right on. Oh. So pretty. All right, the look is complete. This gives me those Valentine's Day vibes. I really, since it is February, I really wanted to do a lot of, lovey-dovey looks, date night looks, but there's going to be quite a bit of pink on my channel the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, me creating this fun look. There'll be definitely plenty more tutorials where that came from. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And got some lipstick on my teeth. Yeah, so without further ado, let's roll the clip.